Find the best GPU, top choices across price ranges, from lowest to highest. In a comprehensive dive into GPUs and graphic cards, we annually evaluate a multitude of options from Nvidia, AMD, and Intel. Our goal is to discern which are the true game changers and which fall short, all to streamline your decision-making process for a new graphics card. This generation's GPUs showcase impressive capabilities. Their high cost raises concerns about value for money, dampening the excitement somewhat. Unfortunately, the outlook doesn't seem to promise a shift in this trend. GPU manufacturers are increasingly focusing on lucrative data center and AI hardware protection. It's also crucial to remember that we don't expect the next GPU generation until late 2024 or early 2025, a key factor for those contemplating an upgrade now or later. In the entry-level range, for $100 to $200, options are limited to older generation GPUs. AMD offers choices like the Radeon RX 6400 at $125 and the 6500 XT at $140, while Nvidia's lineup includes the underwhelming GTX 1630 at $135. Intel's offerings like the A580 and A750, priced at around $180 to $210 respectively, also come into play. Yet the lower-end models from AMD and Nvidia, despite their affordability, deliver subpar performance, making the Radeon RX 6600 a more viable choice for a bit more investment. The mid-range market, especially the $300 segment, brings into consideration GPUs like the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060. However, comparing performance to price, the Radeon RX 6600 still holds a better value choice. For those eyeing the $400 to $450 bracket, the Radeon RX 7700 XT and the 16GB RTX 4060 Ti emerge as strong contenders, although choosing between them can be challenging. Moving up to the $500 to $600 range, you encounter options like the GeForce RTX 4070 Super and the Radeon RX 7800 XT, each vying for the title of best value for money. The decision here leans towards personal preference in features and performance nuances. For a higher budget bracket of $700 to $1,000, choices expand to include the GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super and the Radeon 7900 XT. These models push the boundaries of performance, but careful consideration of their respective strengths and price points is essential. Finally, for those unconcerned about cost and seeking the pinnacle of GPU performance, the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4090 at around $2,000 stands unchallenged. It's a clear winner for the ultra-premium segment, although at a steep price.